Welcome. In this video we will learn about beta function. So beta function is used to solve questions on definite integrals. So in your GATE exam you will definitely get some questions on definite integrals. So definite integrals is a very important concept of mathematics subject. So beta function is given as beta of m comma n is equal to 0 to the from 0 to 1. So 0 and 1 are the limits of the integration x to the power of m minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. So one term is x, another term is 1 minus x, and power here is m minus 1 and here is n minus 1 dx. So if this is the beta function, then its value is equal to gamma m into gamma n upon m plus n, where m and n are these numbers. So gamma m is written equal to m minus 1 factorial, gamma n is written equal to n minus 1 factorial, and gamma m plus n is written equal to m plus n minus 1 factorial. So we have reduced this complex integration to this simple factorial solution. So we can easily solve this factorial by using calculator. So let's see an example. So I is equal to 0 from 0 to 1. So here also limits are 0 and 1, and here also limits of integration are 0 and 1. And t to the power 4 1 minus t cube dt. So if you compare this, then 4 I can write as 5 minus 1. 4 I can write as t to the power 5 minus 1, and cube I can write as 1 minus t to the power 4 minus 1. So if you compare m minus 1 equal to 4, so m equal to 5, n minus 1 equal to 3, so n equal to 4. So here beta function will be beta m comma n. So m is 5, n is 4. So this is equal to gamma 5 into gamma 4 divided by gamma 9. So gamma 5 can be written as 4 factorial, gamma 4 can be written as 3 factorial, and gamma 9 can be written as 8 factorial. So 4 factorial into 3 into 2, and 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial and 4 factorial will cancel each other, 3 into 2 and 6 will cancel each other. So this will be equal to 1 upon 8 into 7 into 5. So this value is equal to 1 upon 280. 1 upon 280 is the answer. So you can see if we try to solve this integral, then it will take us lot of time. But if we simply apply the beta function, then we found the answer in very quickly. So we will see one more example to solve of application of beta function to solve definite integrals.